Jessica did a great job at describing the roles within groups. I'm going to talk to you briefly now about diversity within a group. Diversity can be your greatest ally or your biggest enemy. It all depends on how you perceive people. First off, to start, we're going to be talking about different types of groups, how to utilize diversity, and barriers thereof. So first off, there's two different types of groups, one of which is known as homogeneous, or it means it's a group composed of individuals or things that share similar characteristics, such as these blue candy canes. These blue candy canes are what we would call as a homogeneous group, considering they're all blue, they're all the same size, and same color. Now, the second group in which I was talking about is known as heterogeneous, or a group with a diverse dimension of different characteristics, such as this group. Even though that they are all candy canes, they are diverse in a way that they are different colors. They are not all blue or green, but they are their own different color. This group is more diverse than the homogeneous group. Now, when we're talking about that, the way in which to utilize a group in which is heterogeneous is to embrace the differences that everybody has. God made everybody different, and everybody has strengths, and everybody has weaknesses. When you mingle individuals of different races, color, religious beliefs, cultural beliefs, political beliefs, educational levels, and physical ability, you're getting a multitude of different minds that think different ways and problem solve in different ways in one group, to where you have the maximum ability to brainstorm, to do virtually anything. On the other hand, when you have a group that's homogeneous, they tend to get along better in the beginning because they tend to feel the same way or share the same beliefs. However, as time goes on, ideas and concepts kind of overlap because there isn't that diverse cultural background or diverse political beliefs. They're all pretty much the same. So in order to utilize the diversity in which all of us have and all of us share, we need to embrace our differences. Everyone, like I had said, is unique in their own separate way. Individuals of a different culture and geographical location have more to offer that you may not realize to individuals who have always been in the same spot or still here in northern Michigan. An individual from, say, Tennessee would have different views or different ways of seeing things as opposed to someone who's always been in northern Michigan where it snows 8 months out of the year. Just kidding. Anyway, the second step to utilizing the diversity of each and every individual is being self-aware. The only way in which you can accept somebody else is to measure, understand, and understand and evaluate your own beliefs, values, and perspectives. That's the only way that you're going to be able to accept somebody else, is when you can understand where you yourself are coming from, your own personality. The third way, like I just mentioned, would be understanding the perspectives of others. Everybody is different. Everybody is going to think a different way or have different feelings. There's some that are strong-minded, some that may be a little more passive. But one way to embrace diversity is to understand that all of us together are unique, and we need to embrace those uniquenesses and allow each other to have an environment where we're allowed to speak our mind or come up with ideas and be creative and brainstorm and be able to speak or suggest something without being ridiculed in the process. Now, the next segment of this presentation is going to be group conflict management, and I'm going to hand that off to Megan. Thank you.